Good morning. I'm Carmel Garcia and I'm a nurse student at Our Lady of Fatima. Today we are doing the procedure of hot compress. So today we have this patient. We have to identify the patient. We have to identify the patient. Can you state your full name? Okay, and your date of birth, please. Okay, can I check your wristband? Okay, thank you. And now we are verifying the doctor's order for the hot compress and also review the patient chart just to make sure that she doesn't have any history of any vascular peripheral disease or any bleeding on her that area. So we have to gather all the equipment. So I have the equipment in here. Explain the procedure to the patient. Okay, ma'am, we are doing the hot compress today. Are you aware how is it works? Okay, so today we are doing your left upper shoulder so that way we can get your muscle ease and relax. Okay, so now I explained the procedure to the patient. I'm going to provide privacy, close the curtain, and then I'm gonna go wash my hand and then put the gloves on. So I'm gonna take the patient vital sign first. Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna get your vital sign. And from 1 to 10, how is your pain? Okay, so her pain right now is 5/10. And then I'm going to check her mobility on the left upper shoulder just to make sure it's okay. And then I'm going to position the client and then I'm only expose only the body part that I'm working on. So since it's on left upper shoulder, I'm going to expose that area. And then I'm going to put the towel on this area so that way it won't be wet on the linens. Okay, so now I place the towel on that area. I'm going to apply the heat compress now. Okay, so this is the heat compress. Okay, ma'am, I'm going to apply a hot compress now. Let me know if it is too hot and so I can take it out. Okay, all right. So I have to assess the patient's skin as well, just to make sure that she doesn't have any wound or anything like that. Okay, so the hot compress, it should be take only 20 minutes and make sure there's no blistering or any redness on it. Okay, so the 20 minutes is up, and then you have to inspect the patient. How is it? So, okay, and her skin is normal, everything, it looks good. So I'm just gonna take her vital sign again and then ask the patient how is her pain, if it got eased or get lessened. So from 1 to 10, how's your pain today? Okay, so her pain is 2/10, so it went down. So now we are done on procedure of the hot compress. So I'm just going to document everything and report what I seen to the patient. And that's all. Good morning. I'm Carmel Garcia, and I'm nursing student at Our Lady of Fatima University. So today we are doing the procedure of a cold compress. So we gonna identify the patient first. Can you state your full name and your date of birth, please? Okay, and can I check your ID band, please? Okay. All right, thank you. So first, we have to verify doctor's order. What's the order? So it is a cold compress for the left hand of the wrist. Okay, and then we have to review the patient chart just to make sure there's no history of any blister or any wound like that. So first, I have to gather the equipment and explain the procedure to the patient. Okay, Miss Baruga, I'm here to do the cold compress on your left wrist. Is that okay to proceed on this procedure? All right, thank you. So now I explain the procedure to the patient. I'm going to close the curtain for the privacy and then wash my hand and then also put the clean gloves on. First, I have to take a patient vital sign and then also the mobility and also ask for the pain. Okay, Ms. Baruga, I'm going to take your vital sign and can you state from 1 to 10 what is your pain level? Okay, so her pain level is 5/10, and then she can barely move her left wrist for the pain. Okay, now I'm going to place the towel. I'm only gonna put this on the area that I'm will working on. So since it's left wrist, I'm going to put this under so I can protect the bed. All right. So now I have to place the towel. So now I'm going to apply the cold compress on the patient. Okay. All right, Miss Baruga, I'm going to put the cold compress on your left wrist. Okay. All right. It should be only take 20 minutes. If you don't feel anything or numbness, just let me know. Okay. All right. So inspect the area just to make sure there's no wound or there's no any redness on that one. Okay. So now the 20 minutes is up. You can just take it out. Okay. And her skin looks good. And then take the vital sign again. And then ask the patient for the outcome of the pain. Okay. Miss Baruga, from 1 to 10, how is your pain now? Okay, so her pain is 2/10, so it got the pain got less, and then now reposition the client just to make sure she's comfortable in her position. Take out this one, make sure that she is dry, and then wash your hand, take out the gloves, and document and report all the findings. Okay, and we are done on the procedure of the cold compress.